What are the benefits of Managed Dedicated Server? Managed Dedicated Server is a dedicated server managed and maintained by the web hosting company. It eliminates the need to manage your dedicated server for optimum performance or hire professional experts for the same. Let's look at some of the essential benefits of managed dedicated server hosting. Ease of management and maintenance. The web hosting company takes care of everything from server administration to software upgrades, backups, reverse DNS setup, and more. Without a managed service, you are responsible for all these tasks, which requires high technical expertise. Expert support. Whether you need help with hardware, database, or framework, with managed dedicated hosting, you get 24/7 support from trained experts. This reliable and accessible support ensures maximum website uptime and availability. Highly reliable. Reliable servers keep your website up and running for your customers with utmost security and uptime. With Managed Dedicated Server, you get quality data center infrastructure for higher network reliability and lower latency. Advanced security. Security is a major concern to protect websites from cyberattacks and other online threats. Managed Dedicated Hosting ensures top-notch security with regular server monitoring and scanning. Highly scalable. As your website gains traffic, your server must offer scalability to add or remove resources as required. Managed Dedicated Servers offers additional server space to help meet the growing needs of server requests and avoid server failure. Reseller Club offers 24/7 expert support and managed services with their Managed Dedicated Server plans. Get server setup, migration, security, server monitoring, and more reliable managed services for your business.